Okay, hello, my name is Maria, and well, today I'm gonna make a class of report speech, but I'm only going to explain the present simple to past simple, okay? So let's start with the video. Okay, first I'm gonna say that maybe you are confused because some people take indirect speech, other people said report speech, but indirect speech and reported speech same thing. So you maybe will have this confused. Okay, report speech is usually used only for writing, so we don't need to, take care about the pronunciation, the rules of pronunciation or vocabulary, what kind of stuffs. Okay, why or how do we use report speech? Well, report speech is when you report or when you write down what somebody has said, okay? This is report speech. Report speech is when you report or write down what somebody has said. If somebody told you something, okay, this is going to be a quote. A quote is when you, a quote means when you copy the person's word exactly, okay? You don't need to change nothing. We're going to change in report speech, okay? So you don't need to change it, so be careful with this. Okay, another confuse that you can have is that quote and report speech. So this is going to be direct speech and indirect speech. You can, this is like another name that they have, okay? Direct and indirect speech. Okay, let's start. Well, we need to change this present simple to past simple. Okay, the first example is she eats lunch. Okay, as you can remember, when you use she, he, or it, you need to put the s. Okay, the s makes the difference because if you don't put the s, it's going to be wrong. Okay, she eats lunch. We're going to change this to past simple. Okay, so when you passed here, you're going to put she, he, or it depends. He, in this case, we're talking about she, so we are going to respond with she. So we're going to put she said, he said, it said, okay? She said that she ate lunch, okay? First, that I put here in this because it's like an option thing. You don't need to, like, it's not something very important. You can put it or not. For example, she said that she ate lunch, or we can say she said she ate lunch. Okay, as you can see, we only change the verb. Okay, here we only are going to change the verb. So if we're going to change the verb, you only need to know all the past simple of the verbs, of eat, of run. Okay, this is what you need to practice. Okay, she ate lunch. She said she ate lunch. Okay, let's go on with another example. I like ice cream. Okay, in this case I said I, but I'm not going to say I said because report speech is when you report or write down something that someone said, not something that you said, because this is not going to make sense. So when we have this, you can put like he or she. Okay, you can choose one of this. So I put she and he. So we are going to change to past simple. And it's like that. he or she, what you want, said she or he liked ice cream. So let's choose he. He said he liked ice cream. The verb here in this case, the verb is like. So this is another thing that you need to study or be careful. Here we need to put the ed. Okay. Okay. These are more examples. Okay. The first is that I am happy. Okay. What I said, we have I. So we can choose he or she. Let's choose she. Okay. She said, okay, she was happy. As you can see, we change this was because when you're talking about I, you, we, they, we said was. When we're talking about he, she, it, we said were. Okay, this is something important that you need to take in consideration. Okay, or you can say she said that she was happy, but this is something optional. Okay, the other example is Carlos don't like fish, or Carlos said I don't like fish. Okay, this is another way to put the question. I hate you. Okay, we in reverse speech. Okay, he said, because we're talking about he, Carlos is a man, so he said that is something optional. Okay, that he didn't like fish. Okay, you said, well, this is a verb, but I didn't change, because this, okay, is something that you need to take in consideration too, that I don't like. Okay, so we are going to change. There's two, 1 and 2. Okay, I can't say he said he didn't like, because it's wrong. We can't have two verbs in, not two verb, these two in past. We only need to make one to do one in past and the other in present. Okay, so that's why this is not in past. Okay, he said that he didn't like fish. Okay, the other one is Susan. Susan, she said, "What are you mad?" So we're going to respond with Susan, or you can say she. Okay, Susan or she asked. Okay, this asked is because she is asking you if you are mad. Okay, but you're going to say ask in past. Susan asked me if I was mad. Okay, and the other one is where do you live? So Anna asked me where I lived. This lived is going to change in past simple. So as you can see, this is too easy, and you just only need to study the past, the simple past form of the verbs, and you're going to be able to respond all the answers. So yes, this is all video.